everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect the fiber optic module. You know, this one, if your car comes with the Bose sound system, you need to purchase this module. This module will allow you to retain the original Bose amplifier. You know how to do that? You need to provide this couple wire. You need to connect couple wire here. You need to connect the ACC to the original one. Right to here. Alright, make sure it's connected tight, okay, so you won't get loose. Alright, this is very important because this is power. Basically, just convert the signal from the unit to fiber optic. So it's pretty straightforward actually. Make sure it's tight, it won't get loose. Okay, another side is this one. You come with another two audio output, right? Actually, audio input. You need to connect this one to the amplifier wire, front channel, left and right, okay? And take it. And this one too, connect to the B+ battery wire on the main harness. And the ground. So basically just connect the ACC, B+ wire, the yellow wire, and the ground wire on the unit. Okay, done. Now we can test it. Okay, as you can see, we are trying to connect it. Okay, connect. This is the fiber optic cable that from the original radio, right? We need to connect this one to here. All right, make sure it's tight. All right, take out this connector here, adapter. Okay, and then we can connect the wire here. Make sure the wire is organized. Okay, and then we can done. Okay, we can turn on.